Okay, let's go. So, ayan, ganito pala ang itsura ng Riga Night Market. Lutong. Drink.
Ulam, guys po tayo. May palabo kami, may uboy kami rito. Malabo meron kami.
Dami.
Oh, meron pa program.
Yung Bacolod.
The Winter Night Market.
Dito nga dati nag-concert yung mga vloggers. Ata. Yung pinuntahan ni ni Joe.
Yes, ma'am. Minasal kayo, ma'am. Hello,
Ikot tayo dun sa kabila lang ulit, Daddy. Mga tindahan na dito. Gusto mo ba sa mga tindahan? Mga tindahan dun, guys. Where's your daddy? Where are they? Uy, buto bumbong. Mamaya, iikot muna kami. Mamaya, tingin mo tayo, may sabaw doon, Daddy. Daddy, may king sabaw. Busog pa ako sa brunch natin.
Korean food, ma'am, sir.
Korean food.
Nagagawa na lang kami.
Doon tayo kumain. Oh, El Batangueño. Ito ata yung kinakainan nila.
Short rib pa rin.
Oo.
Tama mo yan.
Yun lang nakita kong Paris eh. Maha, dito ba kayo kumakain sa short rib Paris? So yun guys, dami-daming tao dito, mostly mga Pilipino. Ayan guys, cash lang dito. Kaya magdala kayo ng cash. Ako walang cash, kaya yung anak ko magbabayad eh. Buti pa anak ko may cash. Okay, so we ordered 2 mango shake and 1 mango sticker rice. You wait, you wait.
Well,
Okay.
I need. Oh, you cannot hold on.
Hold it properly.
You're already holding your phone.
I'm waiting for the change.
Where do you put your money?
Okay.
Are
Wait.
you gonna keep the change? Or give it to me?
Of course, I'll give it to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh yay, the umbrella.
Yes.
I'm
You like
keeping this
why?
umbrella.
You like the umbrella?
Yeah.
What happened to my?
That's all I care about.
You like it? Okay. Keep your change first. Give it to me. Ano in-order mo? Ano yan?
Itlog ng pogo. Wala akong alam orderin eh.
Nakakalito kasi.
That's orange money?
Yeah.
I thought orange.
Yay! Nakarating kami dito, guys. Dapat nakag-point ko na. Wala tayong kukuhan mamaya. Wala kasi no. Lagi na. Kabayan, cash lang kayo dito.
May card po, madam.
Okay. Good.
Ano, madam, sa'yo?
Leche flan, ube. Putong bumbong leche flan.
Ube leche pan? Ano, madam?
Ito yung 20 sa baba.
Leche pan?
Leche flan lang. Yan lang.
Leche pan tsaka ano, madam?
Iba pala. Ayun pala yung...
Yes, may ube leche pan.
Yun na lang, yun na lang.
Yung yung coconut sa freezer ha?
Ube leche pan, madam.
Yes.
Yan lang.
Pwedeng bayaran ko na, balikan ko.
Balikan mo talaga, madam. Kasi
Sige.
talaga siya bago lahat. Hindi, bibigyan kita nito. Bakla, babayarin mo na si ma'am card. 25.
Magkano?
25.
Thank you.
Yan lang.
Tapos doon na ako sumakay ng metro papunta.
sir.
Kabongbong? Okay na?
Please make it the plastic bag now. Thank you so much. Yan. How many? Okay, small one.
Ayan na. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Ate, pwede ba kami nagsaglit ng ballpen ko?
Guys, daan tayo dito.
Okay na.
Fruit fresh. Sorry. That is puto bumbong with ube and leche plan. Daddy. Oh shit. Okay. Water you want? Okay, I'll buy
What's
water.
hot? I thought it'd be cold.
No, this is hot.
Ube part?
Yeah,
It's
they
hot?
do. Why are they like that? Why
So yun guys, bumili din kami ng puto bumbong with ube and leche flan for $25. Yeah.
Yeah, they're always.
Ito gusto kong bayan natin.
Why is it on your feed, bro?
Yeah, I like it.
Stop
Yeah.
liking those videos.
Pwede yun sa kabilang parking natin.
Cockroach
diba?
powered. Sinubusan
Ate, cockroach powered.
Pwede. Okay guys, it's time for us to go home. That's all for our experience here at Vegan Night Market.